Myself, Dr. Jidesh Chandran, Associate Professor, HOD, Department of Rajana Shariram in Ashtangam Ayurveda Vidyapeetham and Chikitsalayam. Rajana Shariram is one of the basic subjects in Ayurvedic medical sciences, which is taught in first year BAMS curriculum. Mainly this subject deals with the structural aspect of the human body in gross and subtle level. Here we are teaching the both Ayurvedic and contemporary aspect of the human body with equal importance. It is one of the prime subject that gives a strong foundation for further medical knowledges. For knowing anatomy better, the cadaveric dissection or dead body dissection is included, or it is the inevitable part of the first year BAMS curriculum. The practical knowledge of human body along with the theoretical knowledge is very much essential and important for every medical students. Good infrastructure is the backbone of every institution. We have competent infrastructure in our medical college, our cadaver room along with our dissection hall, histology laboratory, then our full-fledged anatomy museum, then our department. Next, our faculty Dr. Varun Vinayak will explain further about this.
Namaste all, myself Dr. Varun Vinayak, Assistant Professor in Rajana Sharira Department, working here last 2 years. Let us see the department facilities and infrastructure. This is our departmental teaching space where we discuss and clear doubts about subjects taught in common classroom. There we have smart common teaching space with a digital projector, touchscreen enabled whiteboard, internet connectivity, space for 100 students to sit at a time with efficient illumination, ventilation and power backup. We have an equipped library only for the departmental use. Other than this, we have spacious common library and digital library for all students. This is our dissection hall. You can see the tables for doing dissection, which are arranged in an elegant way with sufficient space, lighting and ventilation. Cadavers are preserved in cadaver room, which is a special space near to the dissection hall, where we have 2 preservation tanks which can accommodate 6 cadavers at a time. For ease of handling, we have lifting, washing and transit facilities also. For doing dissection, we have all surgical and supportive instruments as per the dissection guidelines.
This is the space for museum where we have arranged specially designed charts and models for better understanding of human anatomy. Charts and models are arranged as groups of human organ system like cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, central nervous system and reproductive system. There is a training area which is used for specialized training in osteology, myology, splanchnology, etc. prior to the dissection as small groups. For osteology teaching, 20 sets of non-articulated and 2 sets of fully articulated bones are available. As part of museum itself, we have arranged ample number of molded specimens in glass jar. Those are accessible for common people also during special occasions.